OFM Sport.
Wilco, what a win. Did you expect the 15 points?
Yes, yeah. It's French is they're a really good team, and obviously we didn't think we'll win by that margin, but a win is a win. And yeah, yes, the boys grafted out there with 14 men for our half, so yeah, really proud of the effort, and yeah, it was an incredible game to be a part of.
The red card as well. Did that rattle you guys at all?
No, I think everyone stayed focused on our task today, and the boys really stepped it up, especially defensively, and the forwards stepping up in the second half, getting a bit of momentum in the maul. So yeah, I think everyone is just focused on our task for today, and yeah, like I said, it's an incredible game to be part of, and yeah, what an atmosphere for that game.
Tell us about that. Everybody's been talking about how hostile it is. Those who were here with the World Cup know. Just as players, what did you feel on the field?
I think we said before the game we'll focus on ourselves, especially in the warm up with all that noise, and yeah, it is an incredible experience going out in that stadium, and everyone is singing and cheering, and not always for you, but yeah, it was a good warm up for us and a good first half, and then obviously with the red card, the boys just really want everyone did exceptionally in that second half to keep them out.
Sia and Rassie both praised the team effort. Sia's 100th. Rassie's 50th as head coach. Just any words for them and what they mean for this team?
Yes, yeah, Coach Rassie is an incredible coach. Just the way that he gets everyone up and everyone focused on task, and yeah, both of them are incredible human beings. And yeah, Sia, yeah, he's just such a servant for this team, and not just for this team, but for our whole nation. And yeah, he's an incredible leader, incredible player, and yeah, I think all of us admire him for the person that he is, and the things that he's gone through in his life. And yeah, he just plays with his heart on his sleeve, and he's a captain that leads by example. So yeah, we're really proud of both of them, and yeah, hopefully there's many more.
And then just 2 out of 2 so far, a 5-match tour. How much momentum does this give you going forward in the tour?
Yes, yeah, this is a big win for us, but next week Italy will be up and ready for us. So yeah, just get ready, prepping for Italy, and they'll definitely come as always. They're a physical team. They've got good scrums, good mauls, and yeah, they always throw the ball around. So yeah, it'll be a big challenge next week, and it'll be a tough one.